This video is going to help you learn how to customize an image that you've either found on the internet or have created using a PowerPoint and making sure it's the right size. So I'm going to introduce you to a tool called PicMonkey.com. This is another little free Web 2.0 tool that doesn't save your work but allows you to do a lot of fun things. So we're going to go to Edit. And when I click on edit, it's going to let me go and find a file that I have made, an image. So I'm going to use that Spanish banner image that I created earlier and open that up. And what you'll notice is your navigation bar on the left side. Most importantly, resize. And resize is going to tell you how big this picture is. A quick conversion for you so you understand what these numbers represent. I want you to think of these numbers in terms of pixels. So pixels are little dots per inch. We don't know what that really means. So here's a nice little conversion. 1 inch equals 100 pixels, basically speaking. So in this case, this banner is almost 8 inches wide. Have you ever gone to a website and you click on a picture and it takes forever to load and then it shows up and it's like the size of your thumbnail? That's because they've shrunk the size of the picture using the edit tools on it, but they haven't shrunk the file size. So using this little tool, I can make my banner the size I need it. So a piece of paper is about 600 pixels wide. So I like to keep my banners, if that's what I'm creating, around 600. And I only change the width because then the size is linked, keep proportional, and I apply it, and now I have an image that is a more appropriate size for what I'm going to use it for, and it will load faster. So the final thing I need to do is save it. So I click Save. And what I do with my names is I will add the size to the end of it so that it reminds me which one to upload. So I'll save that to my system, and I will then return to Myconnect once it's done saving here. And as a reminder, if you have already uploaded a picture and found it to be gigundous and you want to use PicMonkey and resize it to a more appropriate size, you'll want to return to your files, find your image folder once you're in Files, and then re-upload the picture. And I tend to delete the other picture so that I don't get confused. So in this case, I would come in, I would find my image folder, and I would find the file that I want to replace. Once that file is there, you'll notice the little trash can or icon to the far right of it. You delete it, and then you can add the other file back. You'll need to go back to the main page, the page where the file is located, and reinsert it. Okay, hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing your learning applied to your pages.